Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to use the Line Style Manager tool by M3dida L.L.C. Alright, let me show you how it works. So, I have a fresh new project here. Alright, I'm going to load in, first I'm going to create 3 new drafting views and then I'm going to load in some CAD details. Here we go. So, and we're going to explode, full explode. Okay, so now we have 3 details, all CAD, right? And now, so we have them all right, and they're all exploded completely. So now usually the problem is, okay, we have to change them all to, like our company standard line types, right? Or change, like these colors so they all look good. Well, I created a tool for that. Let me show you how it works. So if we go here, and we're gonna start on this guy, and we're gonna go to our add-ins, and we're gonna find the Line Style Manager. And so here we have a list of all of our views, here we have a list of all of our lines in this view, okay? So scroll down, you can see we have all these. Okay, these are all the lines in our project, okay? So we scroll down this list, okay, we can see all of these that have come in, okay? So let's say we want to get rid of these, we need to move all these off. Okay, I'm only gonna do a couple so it doesn't take that long. Okay, so we'll start with the most, so A detail, right, we want to switch him to thin lines, cool. Okay, so these all change to thin lines, right, pretty simple. Then we open them up again, and then let's say now we want to change a floor to medium, change, and then we're going to change a wall and roof. If you hold Control down, you can select 2, and then we're going to change those to wide lines. Okay, you can see them popping up right there. Okay, great. So now that we've done those, let's say we want to delete the previous ones. Actually, yeah, let's check first if they're available. If we can delete, you can only delete line styles if they have 0 lines on them. Okay, otherwise you have to switch them off into something else and delete. Then you can delete it. So if we go down here and we want to search for our roof, so we can delete him. Cool. And then check for roof. Roof should be gone. Roof is gone. Great. And then if we want to check walls, wall still has him on. So we'll go to walls, see if it's in this guy. Not on this one. Must be on one of the other ones. Let's see, we'll come back to that one later. But now we've switched all lines over onto the ones that we want, and then we've deleted one that we don't want. Okay, and also we'll have, let's see, go to, so we want door. We're going to search project for the rest, if the project has any more door lines. Actually, we can double check right here. So we have we have 4 door lines in this view, but we have 8 across the entire project. Okay, so we can search that project. We can search the project. We can find out where they are. So where they're ones. So we have 4 on drafting view 3, and then we have 4 on drafting view 1. Okay, so we can select those now. Actually, first I'll show you. So current view, right, shows you which view we're view on. But if we select this one, we can jump to that view. All right, and then now we're on this view. So the layer one we were on was doors. So if we find that door, great. Search project, select that one, and then we just want to change the lines. Great, done. Check it again, and there's no door lines anymore. So that means we switched them off. So that means that the entire project, throughout the entire project, door line should be 0, and it is, and now we can delete it. Okay, pretty simple and straightforward tool. The next upgrades on this tool will be to make it so that you don't constantly have to open and close this dialog box. It'll just constantly stay open and change according to your view. So that'll always be great. Yeah. Anyhow, guys, check out this tool. You can find it on the App Store on Autodesk. There'll be a link in the description. And check it out and let me know what you think. All right, thanks, guys. See you on the next one.